There you go. You need a pen?
Oh, thank you.
You got it.
Bye,
They
thank you.
actually give you a pen. This is great. And once we're park, it's way easier. Like right now, we could literally just get out and shoot it out.
I'm gonna get a ride with Justin Pollock later on in the drift pit this week, so keep an eye out for that.
You know Justin Pollock?
Yeah,
Now you have to introduce me.
I will do that.
Right, 213.
Oh, no, he said go. Okay, thank you. All right, so here we are. We're gonna go check it out now. What's up, Throdle? I'm Nadine, the founder of Throdle, and I am so excited to be here at Las Vegas for SEMA 2021, where we're gonna bring you a 3-part video series. And today, I rolled in with Team Hybrid earlier, so join me behind the scenes for the SEMA setup. What's up, Throdle? I'm here at SEMA. I've just gotten out of parking with Chris, and what do I notice to my left? Some insane monster Jeeps. So I'm here with Darren, who's got a Jeep Rubicon. What year is it?
2018.
Okay, perfect. And you are the designer for it.
I'm the designer, yes.
All right, so how did you put together the idea of doing this? What was your grand master plan?
Just to make a big, wild, one-of-a-kind Jeep.
All right, and it totally is. So one of the first things that attracted me to it was the LED lights.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about what you've done with it?
Long tequila nights. So we try and do custom designs. And you just
Okay.
wanted something that would stand out and immediately grab your attention.
Okay, so it definitely does. We've got the tow hooks here.
Yes.
You've got multiple LED lights that are just colored. You've got blue, you've got pink. What else you got going on here?
It goes completely to the total color spectrum. 10 pods, 2 7-inch pods, the 50-inch lights pop. And then we put the Oracle front grille on. So
Very nice.
I think we've tried to cover all the bases when it comes to lights.
What is missing over here? Come on, tell us.
Would that be the doors or the seatbelt?
Well, yeah, the seatbelts. Okay, but obviously the C is missing here. So
Right.
why did you decide to do that?
Because we don't need 5 people in the Jeep. We really don't need more than 2 people in the Jeep.
Okay,
Makes it way more open space,
okay.
you know.
All right, but it's a really good look because if you look at the one next to you, it definitely isn't missing it, right? So I think it's a really nice contrast. And I am spotting something in the back here. What is this?
That would be the fireplace.
The fireplace, the makeshift fireplace for those off-roading days when you're like super cold and you just turn on and you're like, ooh.
Sometimes the
You
heat
are
isn't
warm.
enough, so you go off the visual, warms you right up. You'd be surprised how many people try and put their hands in front of it. You know?
You make your own heat.
Exactly.
Okay, one more thing that I've noticed here is you've got a lot of speakers. How many are there of these things?
26 total, but who's counting?
26. Okay, where are they? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Where's
We have speakers under the seats. We have
under
custom
the
subwoofer
seats?
included.
What the heck is going on here then?
So it's designed to go through and have 2 12-focal speakers. Gives you all the bass that you want. Nice low end, crisp and clean.
All right, well, guys, thanks so much
Thank
for
you.
letting me talk to you a little bit about your Jeeps, and I'm going to keep walking around here. Talk to you
Thank
soon.
you so much.
Bye. Okay, Throdle, so as I'm walking around and I'm checking out some of the cars, like I'm just gonna point some out to you. We've got this beautiful looking Ferrari F40 that's just opened up the hood there. Let's see if we can take a quick peek. But also, right behind my shoulder over here is a massive Dodge Ram. And look at the hydraulics on that thing. That thing is insane. Also loving these blue lug nuts, which is a really nice way of finishing them off as well. One of the things I wanted to show you guys was this insane looking Corvette. Come over here. Let's take a look. So we spotted this Corvette and it looks insane because one, it's got so much carbon fiber on it. It looks like completely custom built, but look at the wide body of this. These hips are absolutely humongous. You've got some beautiful carbon diffusers here in the back. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's kind of like a brown. I don't really know how to describe this color of this carbon fiber, but my God. It's just insane. And if you look at the interior, you've got some Alcantara suede, of course, but the stitching also has that beautiful brown trim on it as well. Oh wow, look at the LEDs here in the headlights in the front. That clearance, that is one very, very low clearance here. So hey Throdle, I'm also here in the SEMA pit and I did come across Daryl.
Yes.
Here with a beautiful Ferrari F40, a white one. I mean, there's so much going on with this thing, from the BBS wheels to, we're gonna take a look at the suspension, but
Sure.
I thought you were gonna debut it here in SEMA, but you said you didn't.
No, the car debuted at a Toyo event probably a couple months ago in LA.
Okay.
So that was like the real first public showing of the car with the current modifications. And this is kind of its Las Vegas SEMA debut.
Very nice. Okay, well, can you take us through the mods? What's been done with this car?
So the car itself, it's pretty rare. Obviously a Ferrari F40,
Yep.
legendary car. The fact that it's white is also a unique color.
And there's only, what, maybe a dozen of those and then
Probably
white?
less than that, yes.
Okay.
And the car is modified with BBS wheels, custom race wheels,
Yep.
with Toyo R888 Proxys tires.
Okay, perfect.
In addition to that, the car also has a full KW Motorsport suspension.
Okay, yeah.
So you can kind of see the external reservoirs in the back here.
Wow.
And then if we walk up to the front of the hood, I can show you the reservoirs is there as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So Throdle, as I'm making my way through here, we happen to see one of our other neighbors. So Richard,
Yes.
what do you got here? You got a Dodge Charger.
It's a 2018 Dodge Charger.
Very nice.
We threw a Shurikai wide-body kit on it.
Okay, well, first of all, that is not a very familiar wide-body kit that everyone knows. So
Right.
tell us a little bit
Right.
about that.
So this is a spin-off from Clinched. This company is actually in Russia.
Oh, okay.
So little story behind it is I was a little skeptical on sending money to Russia for the kit. You know, it's a little far-fetched, but hey, at the end of the day, this is what it came out to look like.
It looks really, really good. So I'm loving this. And then you've got these little indents in
Right,
there too,
right.
which is very, very cool.
Right.
Now, I haven't heard of LD97, but these are forged wheels.
Yes,
and then
ma'am.
what is the color that you've got on
These are
this?
anodized bronze with the matte face,
Okay.
matte black face, but that is anodized bronze all the way around.
And you've got it with the Brembo brakes,
Yep,
of course.
yep.
And it looks like you're a part of some groups here. So
Yeah.
which ones are you part of?
Well, Lower and Lifted Lifestyles is a car club here in Las Vegas.
Mm-hmm.
Fast Company is a car club out of California. We kind of just came together. Every time we go to California, they support us. Every time they come to Vegas, we host them.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And how many people are in the Lowered and Lifestyle group?
There's probably about 15 of us that are just tight-knit family. And same about Fast Company, about 15, 10 of us too.
Okay,
Yeah.
so only Mopars in that group?
For the most part, it's only American Muscle.
Okay,
Yes.
very
Yep.
nice. Well,
Yeah.
have a great time at
Thank you.
SEMA. Thank you very
you.
much for
Thank you. Have a good
Okay,
one.
thanks. Well, folks, thanks so much for joining me at SEMA during the roll-in process today. So please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get notified when we upload our next video, which is going to be day 1 and day 2 of SEMA. So thanks for watching and join us next time as Throdle's fueling connections and driving experiences.